What is happening, game designers? Now, the votes are in for the Hackingtons Game Jam Summer 2022 edition. The theme was Summer Simulation, and judging from your submissions, it seems like everybody believes that summer is all about getting outside and having a great time. So that's awesome. I love to see those themes incorporated into your game design. That's excellent work. But first, let's showcase some of the great, amazing projects that you guys have done. The winners, of course, and the prizes that they've taken home. Lastly, we are going to have another one of these game jams, so stick around. Let's talk a little bit more about that next. Now, the itch.io competition was public. In other words, anybody could join us, and as long as they were under 18, we let them participate. And the short version is, we saw so many great games come out from you guys. In fact, we had 33 entries and over 290 something votes. That means your project were viewed and appreciated by the general gaming public. That's right, you actually impressed strangers on the internet. And to me, that's a huge accomplishment. We also saw some excellent game feedback and comments from our participants. Now, you might even feel a little bit at home with this feedback because it sounds exactly like what you guys write on the Games Division Showcase. So here's a pro tip. If you're serious about winning the next jam, put your game on the Games Division Showcase early to get feedback early. And don't feel like someone's going to steal your idea, because don't forget, they'd just be cutting in line at the brainstorm phase. They still have to prototype, build, and publish. And I know you know it takes a lot of work to go from prototype to publish. So all of the techniques that you guys learned in the Games Division applied on the itch.io jam. So without further ado, let's check out some of the games that you guys made from the Summer 2022 Games Jam. I want to start off by saying that not every game can win prizes, but that cannot discourage you. For all Hackington students, if you genuinely participate, you'll get the equivalent of a Gold Star project and bonus hack coin. Plus, if your game inspires us with something unique and special, we'll make a prize category just for you. That means we'll send you a real trophy and extra bonus hack coins. Oh yeah, I guess I should mention that you'll get all that whole real life experience stuff from actually finishing a game using the bup process. So there's that. This first group of winners are all Hackington students whose projects earned a trophy for a unique category. Me But Memes Fun Under the Sun wins a trophy for world building, art, and overall potential. Awesome Coders 2000 Ice Cream Gunner is fun to play and earn high theme ranking. Yash P's Splash Battles has some excellent arcade gameplay and cool custom animations. Ayiku's Super Soakers game has custom models, rigging, and heaps of ambition. Shadow 357 Summer Lifeguard Simulation is hilarious, and everyone thought it was fun to rescue these swimmers. Jackson Z1's Washover took second place in overall theme ranking. Great wakeboarding tricks and gameplay. I can't think of the username IDK's Road Trip the Game has tons of upgrade system potential. The submissions on itch.io were rated by the general public. Each game earned up to 5 stars in 5 different ranking categories. Whoever was voted highest in the category earned their choice of prizes from our awesome prize pool. Well, are you ready to see the top voted games? Best overall goes to Skidface's Crustacean Castle. What a polished, complete experience. The gameplay is great, the particles are awesome, important touches like a threat indicator map, crab animations, and even a secret insane mode make this project our choice for the best overall. Best in theme goes to Nanny Demon's Beach Ball. This is a super polished 1v1 multiplayer volleyball game. It felt just like being on the beach with a buddy knocking the ball over the net in the sand. Everyone loved the water shader and the feel of this outdoor summer activity. Best gameplay goes to Kaboom's Games for their game, Summer Slacker. Now, try to manage the demands of your summer job, but don't forget to make a moment for yourself and enjoy an arcade game within this game. Deliver all the orders if you can. Best art goes to Magic Chicken Studios for their game, An Ordinary Summer Adventure. Now, this 3D exploration game is tons of fun and beautiful to experience. You have to try all the mini games once you get to the city. Best humor goes to JCMT for their game, Bored. Now, this one's all about staring at the DVD and screensaver while you can't decide what to do during summer. Probably all of you have watched to see if the icon hit the corner, but now you have complete control. Best audio goes to Kman04 for their game, Driving Disasters. This is another well-polished game with great gameplay to go along with the audio. Hop in the car, drive across states, and try to experience new levels, But be careful, don't run out of gas, and mind the curb. Well, that about wraps it up for the Hackingtons Game Jam Summer 2022 edition, and I must say you guys really brought the heat for this one. And if you felt like it was a lot of fun, I really encourage you to join the Games Division, because this is what we do in the Games Division. Lots of game jams, lots of help, lots of discussion among our friends. In fact, we're looking forward to the next Games Jam, which you'll see soon. Trademark. And we look forward to your participation. In the meantime, keep making great games, leaving great feedback on the Games Division Showcase, and we'll check in next time.